Boost your immunity with the most powerful immunity shot ever, made with kiwis for maximum immune support. Super easy, super quick, super healthy, super refreshing, super tasty, super powerful. So good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw 3 kiwis into a blender. Along with an orange. A piece of fresh ginger. A piece of fresh turmeric. And a pinch of black pepper for maximum turmeric absorption. Next, blend it until super smooth. Now enjoy a super tasty and super healthy immunity shot. Thanks for watching.